Hello guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the lava form in Minecraft. It's a really easy to build and it's quite efficient. There's 4 items you will need to build it. To start off by placing 9 cauldrons like this is the clock on top of the metal cauldron. Things like the full look like this in both the 3x3 platform above the cauldrons. Then place your eye dirt like this, the only place on top of every block except for the middle one. Once you are done with that, you want to place a trapdoor on the side of every dead block like this. And after that, you can just close all of the trapdoors. Then you come right through there and place the lava on top of every full block. You want to make sure that you can block, otherwise the foldering won't fall off. You will know you have every block windows flowing anywhere like this. Once that's done, you can jump down, break this third block and press your pointer drops down underneath every block like this. Now just wait for the cauldron to fill up. It won't take too long. Then you can just take your buckets against the lava and to the gold dress. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to the How To channel.